Operation Manager interview questions and answers. At that point, plan well for the prospective employee meeting. An Operations Manager's work is a senior job that includes direct.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
The creation of merchandise and/or the arrangement of administrations. It's to ensure an association is also running as well as it can, with smooth, effective help that meets the assumptions and requirements of clients and customers. The Operation Manager's responsibilities include supply chain management, delivery management, product design, and forecasting, which are essential to performing various strategic roles. There are numerous positions identified with the Operations Manager. A portion of its models are the Organizing Operations Manager, Bank Operations Manager, Branch Manager, Business Operations Manager, Manager of Deals, Retail Administrator, Manager, Associate Manager, Operations Chief, Senior Supervisor, and City Dispatch Manager on astuteness occupations.
Kindly view our Operations Manager interview questions and answers page to secure the correct position. List of top 35 Operations Manager interview questions and answers. 1. Disclose to me a portion of the undertakings you've handled day by day as an Operations Manager. The undertakings are various, so give a couple of explicit models, for instance, preparing financial plans for programs, masterminding offices and guaranteeing composed development from one side to another, maintaining stock control and coordination, being a representatives administrator, leading prospective employee meetings, and so forth. 2. What abilities do you think are urgently needed for accomplishment in this position? Some conspicuous models incorporate fast picking up and thinking, critical thinking, spryness, initiative, and relational abilities. Portray how you truly know about these. For instance, you've utilized your relational abilities and administration capacities to oversee changes and manage all degrees of the workforce. You can discuss your work abilities for educating and conveying messages clearly at all levels of the association, from sub-workers for hire to senior administration. 3. How may an operations manager be engaged with singular workers? The operations manager's extension is wide. However, he manages office guidelines, order, and limited scope clashes too. It is regularly the operations manager's job to mollify private matters or complaints by being mindful and successfully discussing them with singular representatives. 4. What experience do you have with introductions? Operations managers are needed to impart information adequately inside and outside the association. They regularly address organizations in gatherings since they are exceptionally able to introduce the subtleties of development plans and prospects, and examine any current activities. 5. What do you think about overseeing spending plans? Operations managers are commonly associated with budgeting and planning. They will probably figure out what amount has been effectively spent, how much will be spent, and how to spend the leftover financial plan in order to gain important assets within spending limits. Operations managers might even be engaged with monetary issues like credits for the organization. Coming up next are some significant abilities and capacities needed by operations managers in handling issue representatives. The solidarity to manage the circumstance in an immediate way when it is figured out is always the solution. Overlooking an issue is never the solution. The capacity to isolate individual sentiments from the practices. There might be a shared aversion between you and the difficult worker. However, the spotlight ought to consistently stay on the representative's conduct as it identifies with accomplishing the objectives of the organization. The capacity to completely examine the circumstance and not depend on tattle and prattle. The work is to plainly impart and give explicit criticism to this worker on what his conduct means for others by giving explicit models. The desire to attempt to mentor the representative in showing more suitable practices. The attention to the significance of effectively archiving circumstances in the representative's record and talking with HR is vital. the understanding of when the end might be fitting and how to finish inside the law. 6. How to make decisions and solve problems? By investigating data and assessing results to pick the best arrangement and take care of issues. By creating helpful and agreeable working associations with others and keeping up with them after some time. 7. How do I evaluate information to determine compliance with standards? By utilizing important data and individual judgment to decide if occasion or cycles agree with laws, guidelines, or standards. 8. What is the process of getting information? Noticing, accepting, and in any case acquiring data from every single pertinent source. 9. What are some skills that you bring to the table as an operations manager? A couple of the required abilities in operations are magnificent relational abilities, administration abilities, critical thinking capacity, and snappy getting the hang of thinking. Instead of shouting key expressions that you think individuals need to hear, make these applicable to your experience. One model may be that you oversaw changes and conveyed said changes to all levels of the workforce utilizing your relational abilities and administration capacities. 10. What do you know about managing budgets? Operations managers are regularly associated with budgeting and planning. They will probably figure out what amount has been effectively spent, how much will be spent, and how to spend the excess. Financial plan to procure vital assets within spending limits. Operations managers might even be engaged with monetary issues like credits for the organization.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprint Seal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.